Hey, Lisa, do you like playing basketball?
Hi, Mark. Yes, I love basketball. Do you play?
Yes, I do. I play with my friends every weekend. We usually go to the park.
That sounds fun. What position do you play?
I usually play as a point guard. I love passing the ball and making plays. What about you?
I prefer shooting. Three-pointers are my favorite, but I also like playing defense.
Nice. Defense is really important. A good defense can win games.
Totally. I also enjoy watching basketball games. Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, my favorite team is the Lakers. I love their fast plays. What about you?
I like the Warriors. They have amazing shooters.
Wow, we should watch a game together someday.
Yes, and maybe play a match after.